Yes, hello. How are you? It's episode number 133 of the Broken Cassette Player. My name is Shred. We have 5 songs for you that we hope that you're going to love this week. Starts with the artist known as Regina Rapp. That's 2 P's in her name. She is Regina Jane Rapp by real name. She went by the name Regina George when she was on Broadway doing Mean Girls. She's been playing music pretty much since 2022, and from her album Bite Me, this is Lucky.
Hurry up, I swear to God I'm out of patience. I pull up with you without an invitation. Cause I'm so fly and I'm so honey. Baby, you can't look, but don't get touchy. I go fast, baby, I go hard. Don't leave a scratch when I crash my car. Stepping on stars on the boulevard. I'm kind of funny, I get so lucky. 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 Hear me out, I've never been so good at listening. I'm good at getting what I want. Don't need forgiveness or permission. Cause I'm so fly and I'm so money. Baby, you can't look, but don't get touchy. I go fast, baby, I go hard. Don't leave a scratch when I crash my car. Stepping on stars on the boulevard. I find it kind of funny, I get so lucky. Okay, got my way. It's almost like I'm Renee. Oh no, where'd I go? Now you see me, now you don't. Okay, got my way. It's almost like I'm Renee. Oh no, where'd I go? Now you see me, now you don't. I go fast, baby, I go hard. Don't leave a scratch when I crash my car. Stepping on stars on the boulevard. I find it kind of funny, I get so lucky. Lucky.
Regina Rapp, she maybe grew up in Charlotte or around Charlotte, but she's definitely got to be New York based at this point. I mean, acts on Broadway and all of that. It's a Broken Cassette Player episode number 133. I think I just heard my cat meow behind me, and you couldn't. Oh, maybe you hear it right there. Up next is the band 21 Pilots. You know, they're my favorite band. They released a couple of songs pretty back to back from the Breach album, and this one is called City Walls.
With me, I can take you right, throw a left. Pair up with me, I'ma take you right to the chest. Warpath etched in the surface. Lines of the yellow tape, they're moving quiet like a serpentine in a formation. Buddy, that's my team, pretty impatient. Now they're waiting on me. It might be the furthest we've reached. Now move it up, it's a breach. I wonder where you are. I wanted you to show me the way around the city walls, the way on through. I wonder where you are. I wanted you to show me, but now the night has fallen, abandoned by the sun. Square up with me, I can come to you. Tell me when. Pair up with me, I can run on you. In the end, I write a promise in pencil, but my loyalty's in pen. Use a mistake as a crooked stencil, then we trace it back again. From the mainland to the island, divide it was the same plan for a while. Decided to send me up and rip you out of your seat. You see, in a city with no entrance, there is not a retreat. I'm wondering what you thought would happen, who you thought I would be. Was this a side swipe, or did you picture this in a dream? Buckle down, this is possibly the furthest we've reached. Now move it up, it's a breach.
I wonder where you are. I wanted you to show me the way around the city walls, the way on through. I wonder where you are. I wanted you to show me, but now the night has fallen, abandoned by the sun.
My smile wraps around my head, splitting it in two. I don't have a clue how I can keep the top half glued.
I wonder where you are. I wanted you to show me. Entertain my, 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 entertain my faith. This is the last time. This is the last time. Entertain my faith. This is the last time that I try.
21 Pilots, they pretty much can't write a bad song. City Walls from Breach, Columbus, Ohio. You basically know everything that you need to know about that band. Up next from the UK, they are a hardcore band, kinda, and they are called Bodyweb, and they have an EP out called Dead Wired, and this song is No Faith. Okay, they're a hardcore band, But new hardcore is what they sort of go by, and I don't like that at all. No Faith Body Web from Deadwired, their EP. Up next is the unbelievable artist that has exploded beyond belief, Youngblood, from his third self-titled album. He calls this one The Funeral.
I can't leave my bed, but I can't sleep. I got no clean clothes and I can't eat, and I smoke too much till I can't breathe. I'm emotional, I'll always be, and I hate myself, but that's alright. And I love myself, but that's alright. And I tell myself that it's alright, that I dream about the day I die. To my surprise, there's no one to blame. Nobody came. What a shame, shame, shame. I've been dancing at my funeral, waiting for you to arrive. I was hoping you'd look beautiful, dancing with tears in your eyes. But nobody came. What a shame, shame, shame. My hair fell out 'cause I dyed it cheap. I want a real fake smile, but I hate my teeth. I wanna tell you that I love you, but I just can't speak. I got a dope soul and an STD. Do you hate yourself? Well, that's alright. Do you love yourself? Well, that's alright. Do you tell yourself that it's alright, that you dream about the day you die? To my surprise, there's no one to blame. Nobody came. What a shame, shame, shame. I've been dancing at my funeral, waiting for you to arrive. I was hoping you'd look beautiful, dancing with tears in your eyes. But nobody came. What a shame, shame, shame. Prove my love before I leave. I wanna make you scrape my knees. Want you to bite my tongue until I bleed, and you can put these words in my obituary. We all hate ourselves, but that's alright. We all love ourselves, but that's alright. We all tell ourselves that it's alright, but we dream about the day we die. I've been dancing at my funeral, waiting for you to arrive. I was hoping you'd look beautiful, dancing with tears in your eyes. But nobody came. What a shame, shame, shame. Nobody came. What a shame, 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 shame.
There he is, a true rock star for you, Dominic Richard Harrison, or Youngblood. Here on the Broke Cassette Player, episode number 133, The Funeral from his third self-titled album. He's been doing it since 2018, and he is just blown up beyond belief. I saw him at Roadrunner, but now I do believe he's coming back this summer at Leader Bank Pavilion. So just blown up, gigantic. All right, Youngblood. Here on the Broke Cassette Player, thank you very much for listening. My name is Shred. We leave you with the artist, the girl named Blair Borax, from her The Color Green EP. She's from Portland, Oregon. It's her third record. Actually, I think it might be an album. And the song is Time Tender. I hope you have a good Thanksgiving, and please always take care of yourself.
on my speckled skin. Let me feel the in and out of breath under your ribs. Oh, pretender, won't you let me in? Every happy ending starts with where do we begin? Goodness be gracious, the ones I hold most dear could slip right through the cracks of chance and things I couldn't hear. So surrender to the fear of losing you. Worst I could do is never let you near. Time tender, won't you let me in? Love lender, like a second skin.